For César Acosta, the product manager of gaming in Europe.
Wow, thank you for that introduction, Jasmine. I'm very excited to be here and be the one who give the talk about the products and what is our latest innovation and why Evnia is different. Personally, I like to play Counter-Strike. I have been playing since I was 12, and recently I got married, so in the weekends with my wife we also have some very good times playing these Lego movies in the consoles. Highly recommended those games. So before we start, there's something that is very important for me. Why we are doing this from a product point of view. So you already heard from Seni, from Stefan, and also the amazing story from Sylvia, how gaming is changing and will continue to change, how gaming keeps growing and becoming massive, but also how it's becoming more and more diverse. So, but I believe that from the gamer point of view, there are two common things to all gamers. So first of all, it's about experience. When you game, you want to have a good time. You want to feel inside the game. Maybe you want to relax having a stressful day at work. But also, let's be honest, we want to win. So we want to win with our friends. We want to feel that every time that we are finishing one match, we are improving a little bit farther. So from Evnia and from the product point of view, we believe that we can empower you to achieve this. So we want to take your gaming experience to the next level. And to do so, we have created a full new ecosystem between the monitors and your favorite set of peripherals. This ecosystem is based on 3 different pillars. So first of all, we have performance. This is key. 80% of gamers said that performance is the essential thing when it is time to choose their favorite hardware. Oops. Sorry, 1 second. The second key element, it was software. So we want to create one software solution. So instead of for you to download 3 different softwares, we want to create one software solution, one software to rule them all. And finally, in terms of design, we want to also empower you with being the first to have design consistency. So simply, when you put all your monitors and your peripherals on top of your desk, it looks great and you want it to show to everyone. In terms of performance, we want to that with Philips Evnia, performance is granted. So we start to discuss with many gamers, also with many of you, about what is performance. And we realize that performance is very diverse also. So in one side, we have one definition of performance was I want to have the fastest gaming experience as possible. So think about traditional eSports game, FPS, shooters, so we're talking about Valorant, Counter-Strike kind of games. So in this case, we have good news for that kind of gamers because we have developed a full portfolio based on ultra high refresh rates and low input lag. So to make sure that you have always the first shot. In the other hand, in the other opposite, we have the gamers looking for adventure, RPG, and they want to feel inside of the game. So if you're a gamer who likes to play, for example, Cyberpunk, racing games, simulation, and you truly want to feel inside the game to have the most realistic gaming experience, well, we also have good news because we have today, we're announcing our new portfolio based on true HDR solutions, mini LED, OLED and Quantum Dot OLED, so simple to make you feel inside of the game and take your gaming experience to the next level in big screens and also in curved monitors. So, no matter the game you love to play, with Philips Evnia, you will find the right ecosystem for you. Talking about one software solution, we want to make things simple. So instead of you having to download 3 or 4 different settings in order to manage all your customization, we're announcing our new software, Philips Precision Center. With this software, you can customize everything as you wish. You can manage your RGB light effects and also synchronize between your different peripherals and monitors. And finally, you can even save your own profile into the cloud. So for example, if you go to play at your friend's house, or you go to a cyber cafe, or to a LAN party, you can take your profiles on the cloud, you are right there, you download it, install and plug and play. Very, very convenient, so you can play everywhere as you're playing at home. Also about design, this is the third part of our pillar. And I would say that this was the most challenging part because, first of all, we wanted to create something totally different. We also wanted to translate the DNA of the brand Evnia into the product, so this must be universal. It needs to be welcoming, so everyone to create the product for everyone. On top, we also wanted to have that the product communicates performance, and finally, in terms of sustainability. So we wanted to be the first to implement recycled materials in the gaming monitors. So, considering all of these elements, we created our new Philips Evnia design. And after more than 30 different concepts, we came to 2 finalists. In this case, we have a pixel design that is more focused into the modern, stylish kind of design. And on top, we have the split with the RGB light strip that gives this DNA gamer performance by the light effects. So we had to have one winner. So what we did, we put it both together into the mixer. We placed the button, and voila! This is how our new portfolio looks like in terms of the monitors. And of course, in terms of our set of IT accessories. So, congratulations to the design team. I really think they did an amazing job. They nailed it. So, in terms of our product portfolio, we want to make sure that each gamer find easily what is the right ecosystem for them. So we implemented a very simple approach, but very effective. So in this case, we have our good, better, best. So in this, we start with 3000 series, that is our good. So in this case, we want to empower the gamer with a great gaming experience, but with solutions mainly focused into the first price points and budget. Then, with 5000 series, we want to empower the gamer with a true step-up mainstream gaming experience. So in this case, we are implemented additional technology, additional features, and also expanded RGB light effects. And finally, with 7000, 8000 series, this is the best of the best. So we have implemented the next generation of gaming monitors with true HDR, mini LED, OLED, quantum dot OLED, also with our exclusive feature Ambiglow to have this extra immersion, and finally with all the features that you can expect from a high-end gaming monitor, not only for gaming, but also for your day-to-day and productivity. So today, you can see there in the stars, we are announcing our 5000 and 7000 series products. So, on behalf of all the team that work very hard to make this real, I'm really excited to show to you our new portfolio. This is our 7000 and 8000 series. As you can see, we are not just bringing one product to the market, but a whole portfolio. We have 3 different gaming monitors and 1 set of peripherals with a mouse, keyboard, and headset. Let's get to know them. The first monitor of tonight is a mini LED gaming monitor with a 34 inches wide QHD 21:9. So you can have this great immersion. Thanks to the mini LED, we're, with more than 1000 local dimming songs, we're able to give to the gamer a true HDR experience. So you can have really amazing colors, and finally you can reach totally unexpected levels of peak brightness. On top, talking about gaming performance, you have 165 Hz refresh rates with extreme low input lag. So if you're a kind of gamer who is looking forward to have a true immersive gaming experience and you love brightness, so this is the right monitor for you. The second monitor of tonight is one for the fans of the big screens. So we are talking here about a 42 inches UHD 138 Hz refresh rate. But what makes different this monitor is that finally we have been able to implement OLED technology. So something that most of us we were waiting for a long time. Finally, it's available also for the desktop gaming monitors. With OLED, you can achieve true blacks. You can really have an outstanding true HDR experience, reach amazing color gamuts, and finally, in terms of response times, you don't only have 1 millisecond gray to gray. You have 0.1 millisecond gray to gray. So this is great when you're gaming, everything is crystal clear. So it's a very highly recommended gaming monitor. On top, we have HDMI 2.1 with a full bandwidth of 48 gigabytes per second. So therefore, you have the perfect solution both for console gamers, but also for PC gamers. Highly recommended. And the last product from our 7000, 8000 series that we are announcing today is Quantum Dot OLED. So we also wanted to join to the party, and we are bringing a new gaming monitor with outstanding technology. So in this case, we have 34 inches YQHD resolution with a 21:9 aspect ratio, curved monitor, so you can have this great immersion that with the panels and the amazing colors and the true black experience that OLED can provide, it really looks amazing. This is becoming rapidly one of my favorite gaming monitors, and it is really a very good one. In terms of response refresh rates, it has 175 Hz, and of course, thanks to OLED technology, it's only 0.1 milliseconds gray to gray. All our 7000 series and 8000, they come with a common feature, that this is Ambiglow, our signature exclusive RGB light effects, so you can have additional immersion by the reflection of the halo light from your back of the monitor to the wall. So it really looks amazing. Everyone who tried, there's no coming back. It's really a nice experience. And on top, with all the different features that you can expect from a high-end gaming monitor. So in this case, we are talking about USB-C with power delivery up to 90 watts, based on a HDR solution to make sure that the bandwidth is not a limitation, and additional features not only for gaming but also for the new gamer for your day-to-day tasks and expanded productivity. And of course, as we mentioned before, we are creating the ecosystem. And for the first time, we have developed our new portfolio of gaming peripherals. So first, we are starting with our Evnia 7000 gaming mouse with high speed and amazing RGB light effects, and with a high-end gaming sensor, Pixar 3399, to achieve a true 20,000 dpi resolution. In terms of keyboards, you have a fully programmable, fully controlled gaming keyboard, thanks to also to have a great typing experience thanks to the Cherry MX switches and amazing RGB light effects. And of course, the headset. So in this case, we have a very comfortable headset with a great design, with advanced drivers, 50mm to achieve a great audio experience, and with surround sounds thanks to DTS 2.0X. All our ecosystem of the 7000 series peripherals, they are all wireless, and they have the multi-connectivity. So this means that you can connect with 2.5 GHz for a low input lag experience, and at the same time, if you want to have an expanded battery life, you can connect via Bluetooth, for example, for your work daily tasks, or if you want to take a conference call, for example. They also have the Ambiglow RGB-based solution that you can synchronize all the different light effects with your different peripherals and monitors. And finally, they all support our new software, Philips Presenter, so you can customize everything that you wish. The next series that we are introducing today is the 5000 series. And in this case, we want to create a new gaming standard for everyone. This is our product portfolio that we have 5000 series, one gaming monitor, and all the set of peripherals, mousepads, gaming mouse, keyboard, and headset. In terms of the gaming monitor, in this case we have a QHD 240 Hz based on a fast VA panel with 1 millisecond grade to grade and 0.5 milliseconds MPRT. This gaming monitor is highly recommended for everyone. So if you are the kind of gamer that, for example, you wake up in the morning and say, okay, today I'm gonna play Counter-Strike, and I want to play a shooter game. But then the next day you said, okay, today I will try something like racing. So this monitor is great because for the FPS games you have 240 Hz, 1 millisecond grade-to-grade response times, and low input lag to make sure that you have the most fluent FPS gaming experience. But at the same time, thanks to the QHD resolution in a 27 inches, you have a magnificent pixel density, but also thanks to the 1000R curvature, you can feel inside of the game. So basically, this is the perfect middle ground gaming monitor that we recommend to everyone. And of course, in the 5000 series, we also have our set of peripherals. So starting by the headset, in this case, surround sound headset with DTS 2.0 surround sound, our new gaming mousepad with an XL size that you can place your mouse and keyboard and simply looks great on top of your desk. Our gaming our gaming keyboard with new Philips Evnia switches, mechanical switches, and finally our new gaming mouse with a true 16,000 dpi resolution to have a really nice experience and also very nice comfort thanks to the ergonomic design. All our 5000 series, they are based on a cable solution, USB, so you can have robust and reliable connectivity, but also low input lag. They all support RGB light effects, so your desk will look truly amazing, and support of our new software, Philips Precision Center. This is the end of my presentation, but something important for me also is that this is only the picture that we have today. We are working very hard to bring more and more solutions, new ecosystems for every gamer. So keep posted. After this session, we'll have more than 12 samples waiting for us, so we can go test them, play with them. And I'm really looking forward to meet you in person and to have a discussion about them. So thank you very much, and see you soon.